Hi. So if you think that आपके child को memory problems हो रहा है, all the time he is complaining that मुझे tiredness रहती है, और if she is complaining that they have a little bit of pale skin and they can't remember anything, then this reel is for you. So vitamin B12 के बहुत सारे major functions होते हैं, उसमें I list a few जैसे red blood cell production, okay, metabolism, right, nervous system development, brain development. So these are some of the vital functions that it performs in our body when your child is developing, when he or she is growing. ठीक है, तो यानी कि जब इसका deficiency होता है तो of course the child is gonna complain about not being able to remember अच्छे से, and he or she is gonna complain that they are feeling tired all the time, fatigue होगा, loss of appetite will also be there, and you will see there is difficulty in gaining weight, or there is a weight loss. So you need to understand that this might be a vitamin B12 problem and you need to address it, go through the test and all, and let's talk about if there is, then how you can cure it. So first of all, if your child has vitamin B12 problem, then let's talk about how much of RD is needed. So recommended dietary allowances for vitamin B12 for the kids aging 1 to 3 is 0.9 mcg per day, and for children around 4 to 8 year olds it is 1.2, and if your child is around 9 to 13 year old, then it is around 1.8. And the major sources are of course doodh, cheese, paneer. These are a few sources, and of course eggs. So focus on consuming that. And if you think that you need idea about how much you should give and in what amount you should give, I'm going to write a little bit of idea about how a day should go by and how you should consume it throughout the day in the description below, so check that out.